Are your small dogs afraid of their doggy door? Get a mesh doggy door for them to make them feel safe. So we're going in.
We're going in.
It's fine.
Rabbit's over here. You should see him. Over there in the back. Look at him. All right, so we're going to take this down. Okay, so now Aidan's going to remove the sliding screen door so we could replace the doggy door with the one that has a mesh screen in it instead of rubber flap. The owner decided to take the rubber flap off just to let the dogs fly through. Okay, so for this, we're going to need to take it by the truck.
Yeah.
We have 2 tables out there, and we'll be able to set on the table rather than trying to work on this on the floor or the ground.
You don't want to do that.
Yeah. So I'll let you do it for it.
All right, cool.
Okay, so Aidan, what we're going to do first is the frame.
I'm gonna drill the holes in the rivets.
We're gonna have you drill out the rivets here, all the way here to here. So 6 rivets, so we can remove it. But before that, what you need to do is take out the spline off this screen.
Gotcha.
Okay, or maybe partially up to here, and then also up to here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And just slide it out, it should come right out. Flip it back over.
Yep.
But if you look at the frames that we need to attach here, if you put it in there, let's put it in there. It's much smaller than this, so we have to rescreen the whole door to do this. Okay. So you notice there's 2 different colors. Obviously, the pet door only comes in white and bronze, which covers 95% of the industry. The off-white colors like this, almond, comes mainly in desert climates, but either way, the customer chose to go ahead and go with the white. So we're going to attach the white. If you notice though, it's too short, okay, for the old mesh. So we are going to go ahead and rescreen the entire screen door. But right now, if you notice, it has standard mesh. This pet door comes with pet screen. So we're going to go ahead and upgrade them and add some pet screen to it as well. So remove the mesh. But for this screen door to do that, you're going to have to remove the handle. Put those screws out, but
That's a flathead. What am I doing?
I'm ready to go.
I gotta put these back in afterwards.
Yeah, put them to the side.
Or put them on the magnet.
So you notice we're not really giving instructions because we have so many videos that show how to do all this. But on rescreening, any screen like this, you're going to lay out the mesh. You're going to want a flat surface, strong. Kind of center it. Okay, so what Aidan's going to do is he's going to use the same spline, but first you're going to do the concave, the rounded part to push it in first, right? A little bit to get it started. Okay. Yeah, Aidan's mouthing at me saying I never do it like that. The point is that you know, DIY people definitely need to know how to do that, and somebody who's skilled and who's done this before doesn't need to do that. You could just push it in, but anyhow. So the one thing I want to make sure that you guys are aware of is that we're using the roll to hold it in place so it doesn't twist or bow. We don't have a lot of support. Usually in a shop situation, we might have an angle iron holding the end, something to clamp the frame down with. But in the job situation, you don't have that. So we're using the weight of this roll to hold it in place, and then you're going to be able to easily spline it in. So Aidan, have fun. Swap it out. let it go. Oh, I was gonna let it drop and then pick it up after. Put the tube on the floor.
Just cut it now.
What tube?
So now I just splined it, right? Most people, they just straight up cut it afterwards. But if you look at the corners, they tend to stick up. So what you want to do is get a carpet knife. Get this guy right here. You're just going to want to press in like this. And doing this to the corners actually makes it easier to cut. Now let's cut it. Oh, there's a little bubble here. Let me fix that. All good. Now that's a problem that you can have pulling it too much when you're trying to cut it. It can come out. A little. And that is how you rescreen a screen door. It's not that hard. They're well made. Nice. Now I'm gonna put the handle back on.
Make sure it's aligned, huh?
Three times. Not as bad as yeah, was it? I had to go to bed by 7, but sometimes it eats till 8. But it depends on the job site. At Dignity Health, if you're doing a lot of, you have to stop boarding by like 7.
All done. Ready to go in.
Okay, so what you can do over here, if let's zoom in, you're gonna go an inch in here. You're gonna mark an inch from the end. So I'm gonna say the line up to there. Mark it there. Same on the other side. Same over there. Then we're gonna use this as a straight edge. So you go here. It's magnetized, so it's good. So make sure it's straight. Here, if you make sure that it's straight here, then it'll be straight on this side. Okay. And then we're on the mark right here. It's on the mark, right? You see the mark?
Okay.
So hold this down nice and tight. Don't let it wobble at all. Just hold it down nice and tight right here. Right there.
Cut more in too.
Not
all the way to the corner.
Yeah, right there. There you go. Okay, and then you got Are we good? All right, good. See?
We don't cut on the table.
Why would you?
Okay, pull it up, cut it out, cut it all the way out. This way too. Okay, then cut it all the way out, all the way around.
Still bothers me.
Okay, so this is going to go here. See, but it's angled there, so cut a little bit off here. Like 1 inch, not even like a half inch. Yeah. Okay, let's check it. A little more. Make another half inch. There. You see it? And
Might need
more.
Yeah. There.
Okay. And the other side. You need to cut it to there.
Con permiso.
There. Right there. Let's see. Okay. And then the next thing you're going to do is you will pre-drill the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Go get me a drill.
Okay, then so what we're going to do is you're pre-drilling so that you can fit the screws. And do one at a time. Okay. No.
Oh, then yeah.
Shoot the screw first. Make sure it stays in place. Use a drill. You should use a hex. No, he could use a hex. I know there's a Phillips on it, but there you go.
That's what I like about the wall. You could easily take it off and put it back on.
Is the hole too small?
Nope.
The hole is too small.
Oh, it's too small.
You just created a rivet. Well, it works.
I mean,
You need a bigger drill bit. So you don't want to do that on the thing. You gonna drill that out or what? No, use the bigger drill bit to do it. Okay, we get this one here.
so you don't use it as
Do it more
they're
up here.
self tappers, so
Yeah, do it right here. Just do it there. That's easier. More in. More
Oops.
to the edge. There, yeah. And then these ones. Make sure it's all the way against it like that.
We had to do the other side too, no?
No. Just this side.
Okay, looks. Oh yeah.
There you go. Okay. Now slide it underneath it, all the way underneath. Right, there you go. No, I usually slide it all the way from here.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, and then you're going to slide it into the channel. Lay this down. Lay the whole thing down. Yeah. So get it on one end. There you go. Get some more in here. Push it down that way first.
Hmm?
Yeah, it's perfect right there. So what you need to do is take your rubber mallet over there. Hold this together here. And then tap it in like that. Do it this way first. There you go. So it lines up with this. Do the top too. No, this way. There. There you go. Okay. More from the top. It's easier to probably flip it around and do it. Watch your tools. There you go. Oh, look what you did. Flip it over. Store. Hold the door. Now do it. And then down.
All good.
I feel like that needs to
Oh, it still needs to. It has a little bit of space though.
Yeah, just let it hit it in.
Wow, there's still more.
That's on that corner. Try this corner. Try this corner.
This one needs a lot more too. Yeah.
Okay. There we go. That's much better. Now try this end. Try this end here. Just be careful. That's not a dead blow. That's a rubber mallet. Okay, there you go. That's better. And that side okay now?
Perfect.
Perfect. Good. Okay. Then back over. Hold it. Now you're doing the other screw that's going to mount to the actual pet door. Push down on it.
I am.
You might have burned out the tip.
It's getting stuck.
New screw. That one's burned probably.
Yeah, well, it had to be.
Okay, so now you have all this extra, but right here what you're going to do is take your blades. You don't cut all the way through, so take your blade from underneath and cut this way. Don't cut all the way to the edge, maybe like 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch in, and then just cut it down like that. There we go. Okay, and then what you're going to do is use your famous spline here that is included in the kit, and just push it in, just like you did the screen door.
Most indubitably.
Why don't we explain a little bit of what you're doing? Pushing the spline in.
In the zone.
You trim the excess off, right?
Most definitely.
So if you notice, he's having a hard time cutting through it. Why?
Because it's pet screen.
It's bed screen. Super strong. We have to change our blades often. This is the indestructible pet screen. So he's done. Well, for this part.
I gotta put it back in.
Yeah, it's exciting. Why you look so sad? The dog's gonna be happy. The dog's
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? We ate lunch just before we got here.
Thank you.
He had a pastrami burger and fries.
I was in and out right here.
Went to the hat. You want
Have
to
you ever had that?
It's Duarte.
Oh, there's one right here too.
Yeah, yeah.
Again? Let's go.
You got it? Let me hit the other end. You get that in? You sure? It's not too heavy?
Hey guys.
Like, what are you doing? You're in my yard.
Yeah, I'm back. This weirdo.
Which one is this? Maui?
House.
Or Sicily? Maui. Hey, Maui. Oh, dude.
Here, I'm at.
You could be a pro. Tighten it up first. Yeah. So, look at that pet screen.
It looks
Look at
pretty
that pet
nice
door.
to me.
Looks good.
No dog gonna break through this.
I don't think a human could break through that. That screen's strong.
Hi, Sicily.
Go through.
Come here. Come here, buddy. Good boy, Maui.
Hey. Hey. Come on.
Get in, Sicily.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Go outside, Grandma.
Come on, go get it. There you go.
Go outside, Grandma.
I think they like this one because it's easier to push, and they're kind of getting it. Come on. Keep pushing. Go get it. Sort of got it. Sort of got it.
Sort of got it.
If not, I'll get it.
Let's see if he smells it. He's just he just straight up.
Yeah, Grommet's awesome.
Garments.
Grommet's like, dude, I want to go inside.
I'm going inside.
Come on.
The yum Sicily.
Well, you want to come out here, maybe?
I'll give you all the treats that I have in my hand.
He's getting more.
Sicily, come here. Come here.
Oh. Grab it. Grandma's like,
Grommet's like, okay.
Oh, look, they're trying to
Almost
get
got
it. They're
Almost
trying
got
to. They almost had it.
Sicily, come here. Come here.
Are you getting?
push
They're getting
through.
it. They're getting it.
Hold on, buddy. Sicily, come here.
Grandma's like, wait for me.
Sicily. Come on, Molly. Come on, Sicily. Come on. Come on. Come here. Go.
There you go.
Right, yeah, you got
There
locked
you
out.
go.
Wait, why's it crying? Why'd you come to me?
Good boy.
So the main thing is that build their confidence. Just let them come in and out as free as they can.
Mhm.
Don't push them into it. You know, with us here, obviously it's more difficult. But I think part of it is like the breed, right? This breed is very cautious compared to Grommet's like, I don't care. I'm just going through. See you guys. Right?
Yeah.
Huh?
I think
Because
once
they're
they see
different
Grommet coming in and out, and then Sicily did it once, so I'm pretty sure he'll be able to do it again. It's just a matter of once Maui sees both of them, I think he'll gain the courage to go through also.
Let's go outside real quick. So
Nice.
the clearance is a little better as well, right? And then the
Hey.
door, I feel that they feel more comfortable with it because they can see through it, right?
Yeah.
So it's definitely true that one with the screen mesh, a pet door with the screen mesh on it, is better for smaller dogs.
Yeah.
The larger dogs, they don't care. They just go. Like the Australian Shepherd that we were shooting, that one was just jamming. Like boom, right away, in and out, in and out, in and out.
I saw the
Yeah.
tree on the other side. Said, "Oh, I'm going for it."
Yeah. All right. So thank you. I mean, I'm glad that we're able to at least help you guys out with switching this out and help the dogs, you know, be able to go in and out better. So like, definitely let us know how it goes later.
Yeah, I think
Appreciate
they'll
it.
have a lot more success with this one because it swings a lot easier. Plus, they
Right.
can see through it. So,
Yeah. It's good.
Hey.
especially Maui.
Hey.
He's a little hesitant.
Hey, Maui.
bragging about him.
Come here, Gromit.
Come on.
Come here, Gromit. Come here.
It's
He's like, oh, I gotta get it. I gotta get it. I gotta get it.
It's a little hard time going down. He has a hard time going downstairs though too.
Good boy, Gromit.
He's got it. He knows.
They'll go in.
I think
Hey,
it's.
who
I
wants a
think
snack? Who wants these? Come on.
Come on, Gromit.
Come
Go in
on.
there.
Who wants it? Come on. Come on.
Oh, he's gonna go right for it.
Come on. Who wants it?
Good boy,
Hey,
Gromit.
Sissy, who wants it? Come on. You want it? Come on. Come get your cookies. Come on.
with the door.
Should we open it?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Ah, Sicily came in.
Did they come in?
Yeah.
Sicily came in.
All right.
That was fast.
Yeah. Now this one. Come on.
He's like, wait a minute. I don't want to be left outside with nobody.
Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. You can do it.
Come here, buddy. Yum yum. Good boy.
I'm a little laid back. I don't know.
There you go.
Good boy, Maui.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great
Good
evening.
to see you.
Good to
again.
see you.
You too.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Give that video a thumbs up. Take care. God bless.
And we'll catch you guys next time. Bye.
See ya. Say bye, Maui.
Like I'm camera shy.
He's like, oh.